So today's job is our blade has become a little bit blunt. So unfortunately, I can't find a replacement blade for this. So I'm going to do the thing which I didn't want to do, and I am going to sharpen the existing blade on this. Now, I haven't ever done it on this particular lawnmower before. However, I came across this on Amazon the other day, so seems like a pretty straightforward gizmo. And apparently, having seen some decent reviews on this, all you've got to do is attach this piece to any drill. So we have our trusted drill there, and once this bit goes inside of there, you have this groove which goes against the angle of your blade, and then this stone here, again, it's just a standard sort of sharpening stone, if you like. So this is what we'll use on the side of there. Now I picked this up for, I think it was something like £6 on Amazon. So let's do the first step and open this up and get it attached onto the drill. Alright, so this is out of the pack. You can see it's got that sort of rough edge. Okay, now according to the instructions, we get this bit here and just pop it straight into the drill. So let's see if that works. So here's my drill. Brilliant. Let's just tighten that up. Positive so far. Going in a fair bit. Almost there. And it's tight, so let's get it out now. Let's see. Okay, so looks like we've got some success. So now let's turn over this on the underside and start sharpening. Okay, so just to show you, that's the current blade, and you can see just from there that it has softened edge. I'm just feeling it, and obviously a bit of deterioration from hitting stones and whatnot, so definitely needs a sharpen. Now the beauty with the tool what we've got ourselves today is apparently you don't need to take the blade off. You can do the drilling with this still on here. So actually this works pretty well, because if we go back to, where is it? Where did I put it? So if we pick up the drill, it's quite a small bit, which I was concerned at to begin with, but actually that should be quite good, because if we go here, you'll see that it fits pretty well on the side of here. So let's give that a bash. Let's see how that works. First things first, obviously, goggles. Safety first. So let's put these on. So now safety goggles are on. Let's go in. So let's rest that on the groove, which we've just done there. So hopefully you can see that. Sorry, just get that in there. Just inside of there. Sorry, camera angle's a bit off, but now we've got that. Let's start doing it. So let's go again. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's looking pretty sharp. Let's give it a feel. Oh, definitely. That is pretty impressive. Not bad at all. So I'm just going to trim that up a little bit more. But that's given a really good definite edge. So let's give that a bit more of a go and I'll come back once I've finished that off. So just flipped it around and I've given this edge a good going over as well, just to get it up a bit close. Really nice sharp edge now. So again, just went over that side and that side. Oops. So overall, pretty impressed with this. It's not bad. 5-6 pounds. Putting that on the edge, drilling through that. It's giving it a nice sharp edge. So good job.